You can bet your neighborhood block party on a Mexican food spread, but it's this green sauce that seals the deal. Food guest Amy Richardson has our menu today for walking tacos and Guadalajara green sauce. It's so good to see you. We're gonna get into the story behind this entire spread, which I can't wait to gush about. But first, walking tacos, actually, I just heard that phrase for the very first time last month. My sister was brainstorming some menu items to take to Lake Powell. My other sister suggested walking tacos, and I was like, what are walking tacos? So define.
Okay, so what a walking taco is, it's just kind of like a deconstructed taco. You do it with chips and with all the toppings, but you put it in. Typically, I've seen them mostly like you just buy a bag of Fritos or Doritos, and then you just put all the stuff in. But I thought it would be fun to do it with like a cup. You fill the cup up, and then you can just go wherever you want with it. It's kind of social and kind of fun. You could even take a walk with a walking taco.
It's the perfect party food. I can mingle. I can just, you know, bounce around. Bop around, as Emily Nelson just said.
Yeah.
Now, the green sauce we're going to focus on a lot today because you say that is the key to elevating this whole menu.
Oh, yes. This green sauce is so, so, so good. And
it has a story.
It does. Are we ready for it? Okay.
We're so excited.
So,
Ozma, are you ready? We're ready. Ozma's on the floor.
So, my daughter Ozma got married. They did a destination wedding in San Diego, and it was just so wonderful. It was so much fun.
Come on, Mrs., give us a wave. She's so mad at me right now. Okay, so they did this destination
wedding, and it was beautiful. It was San Diego Temple, just gorgeous, palm trees, the whole work. But then they did a dinner afterwards, which was the groom's family at a restaurant in Old Town in San Diego, which is all, you know, Mexican food and shops and everything.
Yes.
And they did it at a restaurant called Guadalajara, and it was, they had Dax pick the menu, he's the groom, and it was like fajitas and enchiladas, they were so yummy, and rice and beans and salad and churros and flan, but the star really was the green sauce because it is so fresh and so yummy. You just pour it on everything, put it in a cup, drink it.
So you can drink it,
yes,
sip it with
so
a straw. So you came home on a high, I'm sure.
Oh yeah.
From what was a beautiful wedding. Congratulations. We're so happy for you and Dax. And you set out to recreate this green sauce.
Yes, and it's actually really, really simple, but it's so fresh and so yummy. I can't wait for you to try it.
I'm ready.
Okay, so what you need to have, first of all, is you need to have tomatillos, which I'm sure maybe some of you have used them before. I don't really like them. They kind of are sticky and weird. Okay, but they're really fresh tasting. So they come with, like, at the grocery store with like a little kind of a husk on them, and you just twist it off, and then all you're gonna do is you're gonna take like 2 pounds of tomatillos.
Okay, you're like unwrapping a package.
Yeah, it's like a party, a little present.
Yeah.
And you're just gonna quarter those and put them in your saucepan, like that.
Okay.
Then what we're gonna add to it is you're gonna add a whole bunch of cilantro.
Just like that? I don't have to chop it or anything?
Nope, just put in all the leaves and everything.
Okay.
Then you wanna do a poblano pepper.
Okay.
Which they're super mild, they're yummy. They smell super good and fresh, and they're not spicy.
Okay, so I don't need to worry about the seeds or...
Sometimes you can get them and they're spicy, but most of the time they're just super, super mild.
Watch me get the spicy one.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
And then, do you not like spice that much?
Well...
I like a little bit.
I like everything
I added
you make.
a little
Is that
bit.
the right answer?
That's a really good
Okay, good.
And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna cook that until...
It becomes that?
This is what it becomes.
Oh my goodness.
And you just wait, and it looks kind of horrible, but just wait. Then you you just cook it until the cilantro turns brown. Just add water to it, and that's it.
And any salt, pepper, seasonings?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
Then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pour into our...
I always back up when the action happens.
Yeah, well, you know, I mean, look at me. I'm just making a huge mess here.
Listen, a messy kitchen is a happy kitchen.
So you're just gonna do that, and then you add some salt. In fact, will you just grab our salt?
How much?
Yep, that's pretty good. Okay. You kind of salt it to taste, and then you're just gonna add to
avocados for the creaminess,
avocado.
right?
And then you just blend it in the blender. You can serve it warm. I've been cooling it though, just to like room temperature. You could put it in the fridge overnight if you were doing a big amount.
So this becomes a sauce you can put on anything. Like, are you chip dipping? Are you covering your enchiladas?
Right, it's for anything. Yeah, and then you just blend it until I blend it for a long time until there's no trace of any leaves or anything. And then that's just it.
Guadalajara green sauce.
Yeah, and it is so good.
Yum,
Are you
Amy.
gonna try it?
I'm totally gonna try it. While I do, how can I sample? How can I taste? I want you to describe this bar that you've set up.
Okay, so so what I did was I thought it would be kind of fun for your walking tacos. Just put out, I've got the really yummy, do you like the Chihuahua cheese? I love that. Sour cream salsa, lime, cilantro, fresh jalapenos. I love these chips. You can get them at Walmart. They're called Casa de Orzo, but they're just such a good chip.
Okay.
They kind of taste like a real homemade restaurant chip.
You weren't kidding.
Really
past the straw.
Isn't it so?
I'm not a saucy girl.
Fresh.
I mean, you know, define it how you will. But this is amazing.
Thank you. I think so too. It is just good, I think, on anything. You could put it on anything. It was definitely the thing that people kept going back and spooning. They had a big, huge bowl of it for the dinner. So I kind of just think, do something fun like this. There's these fun new aluminum cups.
I've seen these
that I saw, and I thought these are fun because it's not, I mean, let's face it, a walking taco in a clear cup might not be quite as yummy to look at, but I thought that's also kind of a heat resistant, you know, good on that. Just serve it up with lots of fun, yummy things, whatever you like. I love roast beef on my tacos, so this is just roast, shredded roast beef, and
Amy,
that's kind of it.
That's delicious. Double, triple batch that, because your guests or your family are going to be smothering their plate. And can I point out just a couple cute details? The Spanish tile tray, darling. The aluminum tin buckets, so cute. And look at this banner. You said you just pulled images off of the internet?
I did. I just pulled them off and printed them on cream cardstock. Just kind of to have a little fun and kind of that kind of vintage retro flair. Or the Guadalajara.
The Guadalajara green sauce. It's delicious. Thank you so much. Recipe graciously shared on our website. You've got plenty more fun, food fun happening on your Instagram.
I do. Follow me on Great Taste Buds.
All right. You'll see stuff like this. Party ideas, hosting ideas, awesome recipes. Great Taste Buds is where you want to go. Congratulations to the missus, and thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you.